Hello, beautiful world. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying and doing great, having fun, enjoying your summers, and we're gonna welcome the winter very soon. So, you guys, I know you are liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel and watching my videos for beautiful ideas I am bringing on daily basis. And today I brought you the beautiful bedroom ideas. Bedroom where we love each other. Bedroom should be cozy. Bedroom is where we rest. Bedroom is our personal space. So it should be beautiful. I mean, it should be like bedroom, a restroom. So there are some beautiful color themes and beautiful combinations for you guys in this video. You are gonna love it so much, and you are gonna let me know in the comment box what you want for the next video. Look at this beautiful combination, beautiful paintings and the arrangings. This is so cute. This is literally so cute. Oh, I would love the white. I love white. I love everything white. Oh, these are so nice. These are so pretty. Ooh, the gray and the skin brown. The whoa. Wow, I want this one. The faded lights all over my head. That's great. Okay, guys. I now you're gonna liking and subscribing and sharing my videos. So let me know in the comment box. I will come back again with another video. Tada, bye bye. Take care, you guys.